What's up, guys? Matco Michael just pulled up, so let's go take a look and see what he's got on the truck today. Y'all come on. What you know good today?
It's Friday.
All day Friday. Thank goodness.
We're gonna build some new high vis.
Hey, you can find that one. When you leave it laying under the truck, that'll show up.
Wally had it, it'd be black in about 5 minutes.
Well, at least for 5 minutes it would be high vis, right?
Yeah.
That's right. We got a whole cart full of stuff.
Yeah,
Every bit of it's
another
orange.
short deal. Those seem to be really light, so I put that one together with orange, which I mean
I'll tell you what, I like that Matco ratchet now. I got the same one this one is, and I do like it.
I really like the ratchet.
That handle
Yep.
is hard to keep clean, but
It is hard to keep clean, I agree. but
that's
it's
the
like having
only-
a handle.
only negative I know of so far. I like it though. Well, we had a new visitor come to the shop. You
Really?
got some competition now.
Who's that?
A tool peddler.
So what's he selling?
Just all kind of stuff in a pickup.
Huh.
He said he's gonna start coming by once a week, so he's gonna run a special.
Where's he out of?
I don't know. He just come by here. Like, we didn't buy nothing from him because we was busy that day, but
Right.
he said he's gonna put all you guys out of business. Said he could beat everybody's price.
Huh. Well, I guess time will tell, right?
That's right. What you done found, Bill? A book?
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day book.
That's right.
My mama
Guys,
wouldn't.
don't forget. It's
She
coming
wouldn't
up.
be happy if I bought her some tools. I'm just gonna tell you.
I think I'm gonna buy my mom this multimeter. Like, she really knows how to use that multimeter.
There you
Well, I
go.
think the main thing on that is they got the wireless headphones up front with the ladies' sunglasses and stuff like that. So they got some things aimed for that.
They got some girly items.
But let's not forget, there are women mechanics too.
That's true.
Some of them better than me, probably. A lot of them
That's
probably
true.
better than me.
Wally, it wouldn't take much to be better than us, would it?
Not me, at least. Yeah, speak for yourself there, bud.
Yeah,
Uh-oh. Bill's saying he's a better mechanic than you, Wally.
That's what I heard. I just heard that.
No, I didn't really say that, but I do stay focused.
I think that was implied consent. That's what that
I
was.
think that was implied. I think me and Clay did it the same way.
I think Wally just needs some ADD medications on. That's what he needs.
Big time. What were we talking about now?
And a metal detector to find all his tools.
Metal detector is important now.
Well, what you got new this week?
Oh, let's see.
We like the new
We
stuff.
like the new stuff. Well, this is newer. It was new to us a couple of weeks ago. I just never, or maybe a couple of months ago. I just never got it. It's a TPMS installation kit, so it actually has the torque wrench and stuff for the kits that need to be torqued to certain specs and stuff like that. So
Right.
definitely not something that you'd use all the time. In fact, I don't know that I ever even paid attention to the torque of a tire sensor, but I know I ran into a shop the other day asking for one, so that's why I ordered this one, is because they're wanting it.
Right.
So that's kind of cool. And then also new to the truck, I got some body molding trimming tools. I really got them just for like heater hoses and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
But
I could see where those would be nice, especially on those silicone hoses.
yeah,
They work good for us.
so I got those there.
I got a buddy of mine's got a pair just like that. They're awesome.
Yep. That's a pretty nice kit right there. That sensor relay kit that you had last week that you showed,
Right.
you done sold it?
Sold it, got another one.
There's a bunch of people asking about that, you know, that they really like that.
Yeah,
kit, so.
I sold it later that day, but I've got another one back there if you need the part number.
Yeah, what was the price on that? I think you told it on the video, but I guess some people didn't pay that close of attention. But it's a nice kit. A really nice kit. And did you find me a magnetic 16mm swivel socket?
Let me look. I had something right now. Let me look see. It's normally 170. I've got it on sale for 150, but I don't know what their distributor had it for. But that's the part number there.
MD867. That's a really nice kit right there.
Yeah. Like I said, they've had relay test bypass kits for a while, but you've had to flip the switch. And
That's the ones that I have.
yeah, I mean, you know, in theory, how much different would you need until you get this? And it's like, hey, I can stand over here and listen to stuff now.
Right.
So
What's the difference between the price of this kit and the one that you flip the buttons on?
I got it too. Let me see. I think it's behind you.
Because I could see, which we used that one the other day on a truck, and it was nice.
This one's normally 81, but it's on sale for 73. So, yeah, like I said, this one's nice. I mean, you flip the switch and see if it starts working. But having that cord, something about having that push button, while I walk around 5 foot is nice.
Yeah, that's a nice set too. Let's make on another part numbers. Let it mashed it in. M9038.
Yeah.
Those are nice sets. You torque wrenching it, Wally?
Yeah, looking at this half-inch drive, digital.
Big money.
Shoot.
Big money.
I'm hoping we'll get to, I pre-ordered one of the ball joint presses. I'm hoping we'll get to show it off in the next couple of weeks. It's supposed to ship the last of April, so I'm hoping we get it in maybe next week or the week after.
Okay.
Which is, I've already pre-sold it, but we'll do a video on it.
Okay.
And then even if I have to swing by early, we'll do a video one evening or something. That way we can get it on the video.
What about the scan tool?
The scan tool, I ended up not getting to go to the meeting, so I wanted to order one of those. So I wasn't able to bring it with me, which people on the videos kind of getting to hear about it a little sooner because Matco hadn't even released it yet. So,
What are they waiting on?
well, they're giving Facebook 3 days to see it, right? So they do an account there.
Facebook don't buy squat. Facebook don't test squat, and Facebook don't work on nothing.
Yeah, but you know we gotta get the excitement up. But you know y'all heard about it, so yeah, I'm gonna try to get one of them ordered and have it on here. And I'm trying to get my hands on HD. I've actually got another person looking at one too, so we get to see what it's all about, right?
Yep. They better hurry up. Well, as the old saying goes, you better shit or get off the pot. 'Cause we finna get a scanner, another one, and
well, now they've got the HD released.
we ain't gonna wait very much longer, cause
Yeah, they've got the HD release. So.
well, Wally's got mine, and Wally needs one. That's costing us money. We finna do something, ain't we, Wally?
Yeah.
Somebody finna sell a scanner, whether it's Matco or Snap-on or Napa or OTC. Somebody finna sell a scanner.
What you want me to do? Full regen and all that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, live data, a lot of it.
Yeah. Well, I'll see if I can't get my hands on HD this afternoon sometime.
All right.
Because I know they've released those. They come out with a 3.0. So
Okay.
now you're wanting it to do everything from light duty all the way up to heavy duty, correct?
Yeah, I would like to have one that would do it all, but if we could get a heavy duty, you know, that's the main thing.
Yeah, well, they do it 2 different ways. You can
Because
have
I've got that the newest Bosch scanner, you know, and then Wally's got the, what's yours, the Solus?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have it either way. You can get one that can do it all, or you can get one to just do HD. I'll look and see what the just HD is, and we'll go from there.
All right. All right, guys, we're going to turn this thing off and get back after it. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Why, Bill?
Because it's totally free.
Totally free. Don't cost you a dime. You guys have a great weekend. Catch you next time.